Today we're looking at a memory foam knee pillow from Cushion Lab. Stay tuned to learn more. Alright, so the memory foam knee pillow from Cushion Lab comes in this nice little handy carrying case. So I'm going to take it out of the bag.
And I have one of these that I've already been using. So I can tell you about my experience with it. I've been using one for about a week. It's made of extra dense memory foam, and it's designed to help alleviate and prevent lower back pain and hip pain. So as I said, I've been using one recently, and I do find it superior to what I had been using for knee support. I have been using, I actually use 3 or 4 pillows, and I've always used one for my legs for many years, but I've just used a traditional pillow or a memory foam pillow, not one specifically designed for this purpose, and I'm really liking it. It's less bulky than using a big pillow.
Alright, so this pillow is very, very soft. So this is going to be something great that I can use at night. As you could tell, your legs would go on either side like this, and this would be in whatever position you prefer. And it's very, very squishy, soft, and would conform to whatever body type you are. This does come with a zippered removable cover. The zipper is on the back. And I'm going to take it out to show you what's underneath.
Yeah, it's a very dense memory foam. The cover is washable, and you obviously can take it out. I prefer using a pillow slip, and I guess the reason for that is I like to change it about every other night. I don't change my sheets that often, but I do change my pillow slips. So what I've been doing is using a regular pillow slip over top of it, and that works. Much easier, just take the old one off, put the other one on, and not have to wash it and put that cover back on. I'm actually thinking about taking the pillow slip, standard pillow slip cover, and just cutting it back so it's a little closer to the size of this knee pillow.
Now, this cover, like I said, is removable, and it is said to feature air layer technology for maximum breathability. So you're not going to get hot with this because it will nicely cool down and make sure you don't retain sweat.
You could also call this a wedge pillow. I've heard them called knee pillow, wedge pillow. And you can use it for support in different areas. It's really great for pregnancy or for those with special orthopedic needs. I guess you could use it for back support or breast support or wherever you need, wherever it feels comfortable.
Now, what I personally like about this pillow is that it is small. It's not big and clunky, so if you were to travel and are very certain that a hotel does not provide something like this, you take it along and it will help you, and it will be very easy to transport.
Yeah, it seems like in hotels there are never enough pillows, I said, because I like to use 3 or 4, and this would be easy to take with you in your suitcase or in the car. You could actually use this in the car, maybe if you were a passenger or in the back seat on a long trip. I don't think that'd be good for a driver, but it would be great for a passenger.
If you wanted to take a quick nap on a long drive down, you definitely could do that.
And I've done that plenty of times. I've actually pulled my car beside the road and in a rest stop or whatever, and taken naps. These pillows are especially beneficial for those who have issues such as sciatica. I've never had, except during pregnancy, a big problem with lower back pain or hip pain, and maybe because I do routinely use a leg pillow. I read that most people are side sleepers, and this is super for side sleepers. Also for post-surgery recovery, so even for those who don't routinely like to use a leg pillow, this would be good to have on hand. And so again, it is great that it has the zippered cover you can take and clean. So what I've been doing and what I intend to do is just to use a pillow slip on top that I can change about every other night, and then every so often I will take the cover off the pillow and wash it.
Alright, so here we have the nice little tag on the side. It says Cushion Labs and designed in the USA.
Yes, and I don't think we mentioned that it's the cover is very soft.
Oh, yes.
As well.
Soft, breathable fabric that you don't really see with these types of pillows.
So here's the little insert that came with the pillow, and it says, our memory foam is custom engineered and made with polyurethane from Germany. Certified consumer safety and quality by Oecotex Global Standards. So here's the other insert that came with the pillow and just shows some of the uses, some of the locations between your calves, knees, thighs. You can kind of prop yourself up with it. So you think you're going to try this out?
Definitely. I am one of the many side sleepers.
Yes.
Alright guys, so that is all that we have today for the Cushion Lab Comfortable Memory Foam Pillow. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check the description section below.